Welcome to Guys River Farm. Today we're working on a tractor with my daddy and my baby.
Today we're working on our 4230 John Deere. Last fall we had I got in it to start it, and all of a sudden it started smoking under the cab. I found out one of my battery cables had rubbed a spot in it against the transmission housing on the edge of it. Just about burnt the tractor. This is what we found. It burnt that much out of it before I could get the cables unhooked. And I'll try to upload video of a security camera that caught it on camera where I was trying to jerk the cables off. I redid it temporarily, with just one battery, so I could get it moved where I needed to move it this fall. But I don't use this tractor in the fall. I use the other one with the loader to feed hay with. This is primarily the hay cutting and raking tractor. But the way the old cable was, it was run underneath the cab here around to the other battery box on the other side. I'm going to reroute it to behind the engine right here, kind of right in there where that heater hose is, like our other tractor is. It seems to be a better solution to me, but I may be wrong. These tractors originally come out with two 6-volt batteries on them, I believe, that were hooked in series to make your 12 volts. And when I bought the tractor, somebody had already converted it to the 12 volt or the double 12 volt batteries hooked in parallel. The way the newer tractors, or well, I wouldn't say newer, but the 89 model tractor 3155 we have is hooked in two parallel 12 volt batteries. You got a battery box on this side. You got a battery box on this side. And we'll ground the cable on this side and ground the cable on the other side. Each battery will have its own ground cable, and then each battery will have its own 12 volt positive cable too that goes to the starter. Now my farm store only carried these in black cables. They didn't offer the red cables as big as these are. I wanted the big heavy cables. But I got a paint pen that's red. I'm going to paint the end of each positive cable when I get done. On this side, we're going to fish this cable through. other side real quick. Yeah, I'll have plenty of cable. Maybe run it down through there. Go to the other side and see if we can get the ground cable on. What you doing? What you doing? Playing in the mud?
Yeah.
I was just checking. I believe you're making a mud castle. This is not the proper way to do this. It works. Love you too, honey.
I'm putting stuff on the ground.
Oh yeah.
Let's go.
This is another wire I ripped off. It goes to my baler box in case I need to bale with this tractor. It had a fuse link in it. I'm gonna find the end of the fuse link somewhere or go get another one. Come on. Hook our positives up first. Let's see this. Spread that out. Now we'll do the negative side. That's the negative cable. So that'll be all right. Look at there, it looks factory, kinda. That one's a ground cable, so right there to make sure our hot's not rubbing nowhere. Now then, somebody besides me can tell which one's a hot and a negative. Even though it's got a big minus and plus on it. I'm not going to hook the baler box back up just yet because I got to get a fuse. Fuse connector to go in there. Oil and hydraulic oil's good. There's my fusible link right there. There's the fusible link I was talking about when I jerked the cables off of it. I'll have to put that on for the baler box. Now we're going to see if it'll start. The dash is still took all apart. Here goes nothing. that's it for today. I got the batteries and cables back on it, and now we got a hydraulic leak on the steering column. And that'll be another episode.